That's my finger in your face. Ready? Watch how cool I am. But wait, now I'm over here. But wait, now I'm over here. That's right, kids. I've learned how to pause. It's not really a learning, you see, because despite the fact that I've got a fancy iPhone, they don't put a pause button on the video. That's obnoxious. And so I found an app that would let me do that. So now I can pause whenever I want to. Cool. All right, enough of that talk. Let's get back to business here. It is recording now, right? Yes, okay, here we go. COVID Math 3, that's what we're on. CMM3. Yeah, had to think there for a minute. Okay, long division, here we go. You ready? There you are. You're ready. All right. How many eights? That's 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Daddy, mommy, sister, brother. I get a 0. So I bring down a 2. How many 8s fit into 2? 0 do. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract. Of course, I get the 2 again. I float my decimal up there. I drop down my 7. How many 8s fit into 27? 3. 3 times 8 is 24. And they're down to 3. And he adds on some zeros. Why did he add that many? We don't know. He's got issues. He comes at 3, becomes a 30. How many 8s fit into 30? Ding! It's 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Notice how he put the 3 right above the 0 he used. Wow, that guy's good. 3 times 8 is 24. Can he finish this up before he runs off the screen? 8s into 60, that's going to be... The answer is going to be no. I'm almost at the end of the screen now. 8 3 times, whoa, it's not 3. Sorry, 8 into 60, it's 7. So 7 times 8 is 56. I'm going to rewrite my 60 here and write the 56 below it. A subtract, I get a 4. And now it's this 0 who goes flying through the air from a strong wind and lands there and becomes 40. Here we go. How many 8s fit into 40? That's 5, dude. It fits. And there's the answer, 10.3375. Did you get it? Mm-hmm. You shoulda got it. I guess if you stopped after the 7 because you thought I wouldn't ask you to go over 3 spots, then I guess that's okay. All right, 2.5 times 4 and 2/3. I told you my math joke? Like 97 times. Okay. You got to make them improper. That's the way I like to do it. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, 1 more is 5. So 5 halves times 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 thirds. We get a 6 on the bottom. That's easy. But 14 times 5, do you know that off the top of your head? It's 70. Now we got a whole new problem. We got to figure out, we can't leave that. No, you don't leave the top one bigger than the bottom. You just don't do it. How many 6s fit into 70? 11 times 6 gets us pretty close, doesn't it? That gets us to 66. Well, if it's 66, that's 4 away, so it's 4/6. Best answer would have been 11 and 2/3, because 4/6 is the same as 2/3, and now it's simplified. You know, like a person who's not that smart, you know, they're just a little simple. Yeah, just a little simple. Let's do the next one. What's the average of these numbers? That's rude. Who made you do that? 17.2, 26. I tell you what, let's put you on pause while I write these numbers. That's what I got. Did you get that? Because if you did, then you're like, right. Okay, you got to add them up. Well, I'm not done yet. Chill. You add them up, you get 160.5, but it said average. So we got to average 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. It means we have to divide it by 5. So 160.5 divided by 5. And we do some erasey. All right, here we go. I don't like that 5 that close. It makes me nervous. Okay, let's put it over there. All right, doesn't that make you feel better? Sure it does. All right, 5's into 1, nope. 5's into 16, 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract. Remember, it's daddy, mommy, sister, brother. Subtract, and I bring down. I get 5's into 10. Yeah, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, I get 0. I bring down the 5. Don't forget to float your decimal in there. How many 5s fit into 5? It's like hard, man. 32.1 is the answer. That's the average of those 5 numbers. All right, next is all the factors of 72. So here's how you do this. Okay, you're thinking 72. Here's how I like to do it. Start with 1. Every number has factors of itself and 1. I'm going to put 72 way over here because there are a lot of factors to it, okay? These guys sort of make a pair. You can even draw a little cute rainbow. Let's make rainbows. 1 and 72. Then I'm going to go to the next number. Well, that's an even number, so I know that 2 goes into it. 2 times what? 36. Take half of 72, get 36. And let's do the next rainbow. Okay? 3. Does 3 fit into it? I don't know. You should. Because you add the digits up. 7 plus 2 is 9. Does 3 fit into 9? Uh-huh. So 3 times what? Well, everybody knows that 3 times 24 is 72. It's like pretty much popped out of the womb saying that. Okay, 3 times 24. Let's go to 4. Does 4 work? Yeah. Okay, that was a harder one. I'll give you that. But so, you know, I would go back to your 2 number. Take half of that. Oh, yeah, 4 and 18. Does 5 work? No. 5 only works for numbers that end in either a 0 or 5. You didn't have to spend time on that one. Does 6 work? Yeah, that's a math fact. 6 times 12, 72. Does 7 work? No, we can look at that because 7 times 10 is 70. No. Does 8 work? Yeah, another math fact. 8, 9. 8 times 9. Those are all the factors. Yeah, they are. Yeah, you knew that. All right, let's do 14 and a half minus 3 and 3/4. I gave you the hard kind of subtracting, okay? This is the harder kind because you're going to have to do that little stuff on the top guy. You'll see, first make them with the same denominator, which means stay with the fourths here. Not looking good. Go ahead and rewrite the 3. Set it up vertically. Don't do that horizontal stuff where you scratch. No. Rewrite it. You got paper. Okay, it's a pandemic, not a paper-demic. That's pretty good. I just made that up. All right, so this is 2/4. You can't do 2 minus 3 and get 1. No. 2 minus 3 is not 1, it's a -1. But you can borrow from 14, make it a 13, and take those 4/4 you just took off of the 14 and stick them onto these 2/4. Remember what I said? The trick, you just add these two guys together. It becomes a 6, and that's what goes up there. So it's 4/4 and 2/4 is 6/4. Now you can subtract 13 minus 3 is 10. 6 minus 3 is 3. Fourths just stays the same. 10 and 3/4. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I love it. Looks so cute. Okay, 6 darts land on the board, and they get a 2, 5, or 8. Okay, which is possible? 11, 16, 25, 36, 44, or 51. All right, we're going to bang off right here. Boom. If you got 6 darts, 6, right? Yeah, 6. The smallest you can get is 12. 11 whacked away. Okay? Yeah, not now. My phone is like barking at me. Okay. Next up. I got a 51 over here for every dart. We got 6 times every dot. Every dart got the best. It's 76 times 8 is 48. Too big. So then we start working. Now, if you notice that you get 6 darts, let's say 6 darts and they all get 2. You're at 12. If I replace one of those 2s with a 5 or an 8, it's going up by 3 or 6. So the quickie way to do this is this number. It's got to be a number between 12 and 8 times 6 is 48. The real answer has got to be between 12 and 48, and it's got to be a multiple of 3. That's not a multiple of 3. That's not a multiple of 3. That's not a multiple of 3. The only one that's a multiple of 3 is 36. Check it. It's the only one that works. I'm true. It's true. I'll go. Really, I'm leaving.